very simple pineapple upside down cake. So, I don't remember how long ago I canned a bunch of pineapple. Let me show you. Okay. And then I juiced it, and a lot of the, I don't want to say pulp, pineapple was left in the juicer. I thought, I can't let that go to waste. So I saved it. So it's all the leftover pineapple, and it still is quite juicy, or it has a lot of whatever. So I'm going to do an upside down bundt cake, pineapple cake. And I'm going to use everything technically I already have. And I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use box, which I have in my pantry. So I have my oven going at 350. I need a 1/4 stick of butter I'm going to put in my bundt pan. A 1/4 cup, which is half a stick. I don't know why I double checked that. I know that by heart. And a cup of brown sugar. Oops. I think Russ is home. I'll put that there for now. Yep. I'm gonna put this in the oven to melt. So in the meantime, I've got my bowl, three eggs. I get my whisk. Let me turn you down here. Bend you down. Okay. 3 eggs. Looks like I need to go get eggs tomorrow. Come on. There she goes. 1. 2. 3. Let me rinse my hands for a second. Good. Dry my hands with a rag. Okay, I'm gonna whisk that up. Okay, so I got this all set. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, basically just follow the instructions. This is the box I'm going to use. 1/4 cup of oil, I just eyeball it. Looks like I need to fill the oil up. Of water, and I'm not going to use water, I'm going to use the lemon juice. Oh, I need my cup, and this is the lemon juice. I put it in the pineapple juice that we used. So this is all fresh, I mean literally fresh pineapple juice. It's so good. Better, so much better than that store stuff. So I definitely want to do the Pick 'n Save dollar pineapples again and can them. I mean, even the water bath that I put them in, or the water, it was so good. Okay, let me put this back. I mean, this whole cake can't be any easier. All right, now the cake mix. gonna get a scissors because I've tried cut whatever. Let me just get a scissors. I've done pineapple upside down cakes from scratch. And they taste no different from using a box. So if you really aren't into baking, go get the box. Let me check my butter. So I'm going to put my cup of brown sugar. Let's use this. Spread the brown sugar around. I already sprayed the pan, of course. Now, I'm going to layer it out so it's pretty even. It looks pretty good. I'll save this for getting the cake out of the bowl. We'll go like that. Pineapple. I guess I could do a layer in between, huh? I just couldn't throw this away. I think what I'll do too is I'll put some batter in, and then this, the rest of this, and then more batter. You never know until you try, right? Okay. So let's go back and finish the batter. Now you could use white cake mix. I was just lucky enough to have yellow. I'm thinking, I wonder if I could use angel food cake mix too. I don't know. I could try it someday. Okay, let's go pour it. All right. I said I would wait with the rest, which I think plus I'm also thinking I could use this pineapple in muffins. I couldn't bear getting rid of it. Okay. Now let's put the rest in. I hate leaving anything behind. All right. So it says for this, in the oven, if it's a bundt pan, about 38 minutes. So I'm going to do 35 and then I'm going to check it. All right, I'll bring you back when it's done. So I'm going to test it first at 35. So I cut a slice. It's still warm. I don't know if you can see the steam. It is so good. Now, since it's that delicious, I don't know, in all honesty, if I do it in a bundt pan again, because it didn't come out as well. It looks pretty, sorta. I'd rather just do this in a cast iron or a baking dish. That's all. But I'm glad I tried it. But it tastes great, and that's the most important thing. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. Just try things. Okay, bye.